Yeah, now you go that way, yeah, right, asshole? You've been driving slow the whole fucking time. It's 11:42. It's about an inch and a half of snow here in Everett. As you can see, it's pouring down. Or it's coming down, whatever you want to call it. They say it's the blizzard of '98. We'll see about that tomorrow. I hope it's not, because I do not feel like shoveling it before in the morning. And that's for sure, guys. And if you don't have to go to work tomorrow, stay in, because it's going to be a great day sleeping in. Unfortunately, for poor people like me, I have to go to work. Fucking guy, you got a truck, he doesn't know how to drive. You got a fucking Chevy truck, he does not know how to drive. Look at this idiot.
Hey guys, it's Winnie, and I'm here with Justin, and we were just talking about how smooth our legs are from our laser hair removal with Nurse Deal.
I'm like a dolphin.
A literal dolphin.
So I'm in the middle of it. Right now is laser hair removal season. I've got 4 sessions.
Good, I'm glad you got out the fucking way.
Yeah, Winnie,
Fucking idiot.
By the time summer gets here, you're gonna literally not be able to recognize you.
Yeah, it's pretty bad, guys. It's pretty bad so far.
All you need to do is book your appointment today at
We'll get ready for doing cleaning tomorrow.
premiums every month, but when accidents happen, suddenly insurance companies tend to become your enemy. They deny your claims, load all your damages, and make you feel like you're the problem. The same people who use friendly spokespeople to sell you a dream, they're the people you actually need protection from. At Morgan & Morgan, we know how to deal with these insurance companies. We make sure you get what you deserve, and you don't pay unless you win your case. Call Morgan & Morgan, America's largest injury law firm. Injured? Visit forthepeople.com for an office near you.
It is my favorite part of America. Meineke, the one-stop shop for total car care.
Watching Clorox cleanup spray dissolve tough crap in the shower feels like...
Wait, this really just happened? I'm shocked. Underwear and everything?
It feels like being able to zip up your overpacked suitcase on the first try.
This one asshole has a fucking bobcat. Now he wants to go cleaning.
With Clorox.
He's this guy that lives in my neighborhood. He owns like tons of property.
Victim of a car crash or hurt in a slip and fall?
All he does in the fucking winters, walk around with that stupid fucking bobcat. He's an idiot. Thinks he's doing something. All he does is clean his fucking sidewalk. The jerk off. Look at him. So he thinks he's got the right of way to drive on the fucking street. Fucking dickhead. What are you doing? Nothing. Oh yeah, he's cleaning the corner of the sidewalk. Good job, you fucking idiot. So, he's actually doing something because the city does not fucking shovel here. They come by once and that's it. Fucking jerk off. Other than that, they spend the whole time driving around with the fucking, see, with the shovels up. This guy lives right here. This house. The fuck? Oh, you're driving around. You got nothing better to do at 12 o'clock at night. Good for you, buddy.
Put you in the hospital. They had a scratch on them.
There you go. You see what I mean? He only does his fucking block. He does this, he goes around the corner again, and that's it, and he leaves. Fucking dickhead. Alright guys, stay safe, stay in, and be warm.